Imagine if simply posting something up in your free time can make you a substantial amount of cash. What a money-making dream that is! But what if I told you that this one's real? Yes! In this video, I'll be showing you a passive income site where you can earn your bag without having to multitask. A job that anybody can accomplish without prior work experience and completely for free. All this requires is a device that connects to the internet, a few easy and hassle-free instructions to follow, and me, your guide that will assist you every step of the way. So grab your favorite drink, and you may want to stay focused to not overlook anything and avoid any rookie mistakes. Hello, I'm your cash flow girl. Welcome to my channel where I teach you easy ways to get your cash flowing. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and click on the notification bell to keep you updated on our new uploads. You may have already known from the title, Reddit is the site we're talking about. However, don't you think it's a waste of time to spend hours upon hours on Reddit just to follow internet celebrities and topic groups? Reddit may actually earn you money. To get this done, you'll have to go to visit a site called Kickbooster. Go ahead and type kickbooster.me in your browser, or you can click the link on the description box. Kickbooster is primarily used for campaigns and fundraising, offering crowdfunding technology solutions. With this website, you can participate in various campaigns and companies and earn daily commissions for campaign boosting activities. So, how do we get started with Kickbooster? It's simple. After loading their website up, you have two options. A, you can click the sign up option in the upper right corner, or B, you can click the user box along the top buttons. If you choose to sign up, you will be promoted to create a project creators account, which is not what you're after, because then you'll become an affiliate rather than a creator. Make sure to double check before signing up. If you see project creator in the left side, scroll down to the bottom and select sign up as an affiliate. On the other hand, if you click on the user tab along the top buttons, a drop-down menu will appear. You must pick affiliate. This will take you to a page that will thoroughly explain what a Kickbooster does and how they are paid. You only need to scroll down a little to see a button that says sign me up. Then you can click it. After it loads, you'll be in a create your account page where you'll enter your name, email address, chosen password, and referral code. Apart from earning your money, take note this is a free service with no monthly payment required. Straight away, after you've submitted an application, verify your account, click on the confirm email link, and then go to your Kickbooster dashboard. On this website, all you have to do is use your unique affiliate links to your favorite projects on Kickbooster, and you'll get compensated for every buy made using your link. The more you distribute, the more money you make. Later on, I'll demonstrate how Reddit will help in sharing your affiliate links on targeted groups interested in the Kickbooster items you chose. Reddit will provide you the platform to promote your affiliate links that are more successful and reach more like-minded people that are genuinely interested in the products you're offering, rather than on your social media accounts or blogs. After you've signed up, the next thing to do is pick campaigns to earn money. Go to the website's marketplace, found on the left side of your dashboard, and search through multiple potential campaigns to save time and discover campaigns that are suitable to your earning experience type. Whatever you wish to advertise, Kickbooster is sure to have it. You can sort your campaign search by recent picks, US arrival, ending soon, most funded, crowdfunded, and high to low commissions. You also see how much of the commission you'd get if you successfully promoted it, and how much of the commission would go to the person who referred you. If I were you, I'd ask for roughly 10% of the profit. That looks like a feasible goal to me. Once you've decided on a campaign, you'll be sent a booster link to market along with the appropriate steps to take. How do you effectively promote it and successfully earn money? This is where Reddit comes into the scene. Reddit is where you discover potential customers through a target interested audience. These next steps are crucial to your money-making journey, so I hope you're still with me. Are you liking it so far? Give this video a thumbs up and interact in the comment section for thoughts and ideas. Hopping right back. Once you've chosen a kick booster item, click it to be directed on a new page. If you choose the View Campaign tab, you'll discover additional information about the product, like how much money they've earned and other deeds. To resume, go back to the previous page and choose Boost Our Campaign, and be redirected to a page where you may obtain your referral link. You can then use your referral link and proceed to promote it on Reddit, which has grown increasingly popular over time. Simply include your referral link on your Reddit timeline to boost its exposure. But first, you'll need a large number of people to see your post and engage with it. What you must do now is seek out groups where your product may be sought out. If your campaign is involved in anything technology, the internet, mobile phones, or other related things, Reddit is the place to be. Simply look for communities that share the same causes and interests with your campaign, and those Reddit groups that have the most members and active group contributions. If you want to promote your link significantly, it is highly suggested that you join as many of these communities as possible. Reddit offers a diverse number of groups with various interests, and you have complete autonomy over which ones you join. All you have to do now is create a supercharged Reddit post filled with all of your campaign skills. Then add your link for people to check out. After completing all these steps, the wait won't be as easy and sweet. All that is left is to patiently wait for a crowd to see and interact with your posts, to click the links and purchase the products. Once that is done, you are immediately paid your commission. When they contribute to your campaign, you may simply continue working at your regular job or carry on with your normal routine, and then get alerts a few days later that you've earned commissions. Isn't it fantastic? The key to this trick is to share your products as much as possible, making it interesting for people and look for interested people. It has been nice to be your guide for this video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel, ring your notification bells, and get your cash flowing through me, your cash flow girl. See you on the next one.